Dear students, we should study what you mean by analysis concept. So, in analysis concept, there are 3 points we have to study. The first one is analysis, object models and dynamic models. And second is entity boundary and control objects. And third is generalization and specialization. These are 3 points we have to study under analysis concept. So, the first we have to study what do you mean by analysis object model and dynamic model. Okay, so what do you mean by analysis object model? Analysis object model is a part of the analysis model and focus on the individual concepts that are manipulated by the system, their properties and their relationships. The analysis object model is denoted with the UML class diagrams, includes class, attributes and operations. So, this is dynamic model. The dynamic model focuses on the behavior of the system. The dynamic model is depicted with the sequence diagrams and with the state charts. Sequence diagrams represent the interactions among a set of objects during a single use case. State charts represent the behavior of a single object. So, objects should be limited to those visible to the user domain. Examples and counter examples of classes in the analysis object model of SatWatch is shown in the figure. Domain concept that should be represented in the analysis model is universal time, time zone, location. The software classes that should not be represented in the analysis model is shown in the right part of the figure. Time zone database, it refers to how time zones are stored. GPS locator denotes to how location is measured. And the user ID refers to an internal mechanism for identifying. And the second point of analysis concept is entity, boundary and control object. Entity, boundary and control objects. Similar to model view controller paradigm in the object-oriented development, the models retain the data that defines the state of the system. The view, that is boundaries, encapsulate the user interface and shows the model to the user and allows them to manipulate it. And there is control objects is there. The control objects encapsulates the algorithm or sequence of events conducted during a scenario or use case. So analysis classes for the to be watch example is shown here. Here entity means entity. In this example, entity is year, month, day. So what do you mean by entity? It retains the data that defines the state of the system. So in a to be watch example, year, month, day are entity objects. Then we can see control objects are there, that is chain data control. So it is a sequence of events conducted during a scenario. Then boundary objects are there. For example, in case of SatWatch, the boundary objects are button, LCD display, etc. The next point is generalization and specialization. What do you mean by generalization and specialization? Generalization is the modeling activity that identifies abstract concepts from the lower level ones. For example, assume we are reverse engineering an emergency management system and discover scenes for managing traffic accidents and fires. Noticing common features among these 3 concepts, we create an abstract concept called emergency to describe the common features of traffic accidents and fires. Then specialization is there. It is the activity that identifies more specific concept from a high level ones. So, an example of a generalization hierarchy is shown in the figure. The top of the hierarchy represents the most general concept, whereas the bottom nodes represent the most specialized concept. So, this is all about analysis concepts. I will come with the analysis activities in next video. Till then, bye.